Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking me. What about you?
Yes, I am also going very well. Just
Okay.
since whenever I have some kind of session, so I all means a day before I already planned my household chores, like how early I have to finish all chores so that I can sit with peace and with so much of relaxation.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yes, I am done with my chores. Now I'm relaxed to talk to you.
So, how is your day going on so far?
Yes, it's going good. Yes, it's going very good. Just a few days before we have our family function, so we were preparing for that. We attended that. So past few days were totally busy. Were totally packed in functions and all. And since yesterday I got free from that, and I thought let's focus on my YouTube journey. So today I have here with you to
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah, whenever we have a function, so we are totally indulge ourselves, right? So it's very
Yes.
difficult to manage everything.
Yes. If you have some kind of function or gathering, in spite of concentrating of your work, you cannot concentrate on your work or to converse with anyone because it's so big thing. Like if you have to go somewhere, you have to give your whole day for that.
Yeah.
Like if you are going somewhere, you have to get your children also ready. You have to buy some stuff also for the function. So just for one or two function you have to give your so many days. So that's what had been going on for the past few days. So now I'm
Yeah.
totally relaxed and more happy. Now come I have come back and I can give time to myself. How much time I have passed in that time is also good, but somewhere in your mind you feel like that I'm not able to give
Oh.
time to my work. So that's what I was missing for the past few days. So now I'm very happy. So tell me
Yeah.
something about you. What's going on?
Yeah,
How are you?
definitely. And before proceeding the conversation, we should introduction first, right? So I go first.
Yes.
So as you know that my name is Kiran Sao. I am from West Bengal. If I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors, and now I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. Simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel English with Kiran, where I uploaded English related content like conversational video, solo video, and sometime grammar related. If I talk my hobbies,
So,
so cooking and interact new people, these are my hobbies. That's all about me. So may I know something about you?
yes, sure. My name is Vibha. I live in Faridabad, Haryana. I'm blessed with two daughters. They are in eighth class, and I have done city teacher training in B.Ed. I have done job also for few years. So now I am in the journey of this YouTube of my YouTube channel that is by the name of Vibrant English Learning, where I post solo content or related to grammar. And apart from that, I have started posting conversational videos also to improve my verbal communication. That's how it's been going.
Yeah, great. Yeah, you know,
Yes.
it's if we have if we want to improve ourselves, so it's better to create own channel, and we can talk every single day if we want, right? So this is good
Yes.
opportunity for us.
Yes, if there is a serious learner, dedicated learner who, who wants to improve their English very seriously, then definitely they should go for this. They should think of opening this channel because this is the only platform where we can improve our fluency along with confidence. Because
Yeah,
whenever you confront someone face to face, it gives a lot of confidence.
yeah.
Because I have improved myself a lot through this journey.
So when did you start your journey?
Last year in June.
Okay, last year in June. I think 1 year happened.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me about your
Yes.
journey. What type of struggle did you face?
Nothing. It's nothing as such because it was my passion for many years. Because
Okay.
means ever since I was teaching, so at that time also, I used to
Okay.
be very much passionate to speak in this language with whether it comes to children or teachers or any parents. I always try. force myself to speak in this language, whether I was able to speak or not. You know, many times, means in school, it would happen that I used to try a lot to speak in English, but at a point, many times it happened that I was unable to speak and I would stuck at that time. You
Yeah,
know,
it's
it used to
happened.
happen. Parents would also look at me like this, and I used to get totally means stunned. I would get totally stopped, means totally fumbled, but I never stopped. Still, I used to try, because if you are learning something in initial days, definitely you will face problem. But you know, I think you should not be scared of those problems. That's what I
Yeah.
did. Even after leaving school, I kept on talking with my children. And even when that could not give me immense satisfaction, that's when I decided to open my channel. And after opening my channel, I have got a great confidence. And today I think I can speak without fear. Only the problem is that I just want to speak each and everything with great fluency, which I'm still working on it. And I still feel I have to, go a long way. I have to go a long way still.
Okay. So did
Tell
you?
me about your, how are you improving and which ways are you improving?
Yeah, I will give you answer. Just one question. That did when did you used to? I mean, sorry. What did you teach in school?
I I was taking primary classes. I was taking third class. At that
All
time, I was
subject,
taking English. No, no.
only
For
English.
1 year, I took all subjects, and for the next year, I took English and science.
Okay. So it's.
Yes.
I think you are experienced a lot.
I was experienced, but after that, there's a long gap. Now I'm at home for so many years due to some health issues.
Okay.
So,
So
yes,
I
it's
think
been
you
a quite
used to.
long gap.
Okay, you used to teach, and then after getting married, you left your teaching. I think.
Yes, I have done job after marriage also for few years, but now I think it's a gap of 7 to 8 years.
Due to health issue.
Yes, due to my health issues. But
Oh,
still, those health issues could not stop me to, achieve my, to go along with my passion. So I had
yeah,
that passion when I was struggling with my health issues. I did not stop talking with English, in this language with my children. So I kept on talking with my children. That's where I feel like that I should do something more, if
yeah,
I like this language so much. So that's when I decided, let's continue this journey through this channel
yeah,
to
yeah.
get
It's
that satisfaction.
yeah, great. So if I talk myself, so I think I till 12th class I did my 12th class in Hindi version. Then after I did my graduation only English version, and after that I left my study for 10 years. And now I'm working on my communication skill. Just 8 months, I can say that 8 months. I started my journey 8 months for speaking. Earlier, I just
Okay.
used to watch sentences and yeah, sentences and conversational videos little bit. But if I talk only speaking, so 8 to 9 months it's been going on, and now I'm working on my communication skill. I want to be fluent speaker, so that's why I'm want to learn this language. I want to polish myself that if I skip 1 2 day, then it will be very difficult for me to speak and restart my journey. So that's why
Yes.
it's normal that sometimes I get partner for speaking, but sometimes it's not happen. It's I have to skip 1 2 days, so that time it is very difficult for. So now it's
Yes, yes,
going on. Yeah.
yes. So
So
is there any purpose behind that you are improving your language?
Firstly, I started my journey for my kids because I got to know from school that due to English language, my children is struggling. So many problem related to language. So that's why I got like from teacher, class teacher. So she told me that due to English language and your child sit quietly. So that's why I decided that I have to learn this language, and then after I will encourage my kids to learn this language. And it's simultaneously I can say that it's my own uh, goal and all on my personal dream too. So I can say, because I totally left my study, but 10 year I just felt that I am lagging behind, and now I want to be improve myself, because uh, upgrading is very important for us. And I left all things, I did tally, but due to some reason I left everything. But it's a very bad thing. If maybe little bit and little bit, you should immerse yourself every single day. It's very important
Yes,
for us,
yes.
right? So that is some due to some reason I had to face so many difficulties. Now I feel that if I have knowledge, some kind of, so it is better for me. So that's why I'm
Hmm.
learning in English language.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know what, I feel that a person thinks of himself so seriously after going through a lot of problems in his life. If
Yeah,
a
true.
person life is going very smooth, he can never think of come out of their comfort zone. He will keep on living in that comfort zone. When we face so many difficulties, so many struggles in life, then we think of doing something. So I think struggles and problems are should be a part of our life, so that it teaches us something and we can do something.
Yeah,
So
yeah, they
that's
they
what I have
motivate
learned in
us.
my life.
Yeah, our
Yes.
problems, our difficulties motivate us to do something and
Yes.
different, right? So
Yes. Yes. And
related to
even
language, I never faced any kind of problem. It was my family problem. Okay, so that's why I had to face difficulties, and not related to language. I learned language because I want to forget everything in my
hmm,
past. So that's why it is best option to learn something new and immerse yourself every day for learning English language and interact new people, so you can share your knowledge, and it is good things. You can see that you are growing, you are improving yourself, right? This is the thing.
yes, yes.
So that's why I'm learning, and
Mm-hmm.
the English language makes me so happy, because earlier I used to be sad, I used to be very um unhappy, that is so many things created in my mind. But now I'm totally busy. I have two kids, so obviously I'm a mother, and full time I'm busy. And earlier, whenever I got time, so I used to be very sad and cry. So that's very, I was feeling so bad, and now I'm happy
Mm-hmm.
with my life, and I'm feeling that it's a good thing to busy
Yes, yes,
myself, right? So this is that's
yes,
why I'm learning English language.
yes. I think everyone goes through some kind of family problems in their life. If the person is living in family, so if we are
Yeah,
not doing something, if we are just sitting at home doing, I'm not saying doing household chores or handling your family or children is a small task. It's a very big task. No task is bigger than that. But along with that, if we keep our mind busy doing something to learn any skill, means in which we have interest, so many times you do not get that negative thoughts in your mind related to your family problems or other struggles. You keep yourself occupied with your learning any skill.
yeah,
So I think sitting at home, we can do so many things. We can learn any skill, or we can earn money, so we can keep ourselves busy, so that we don't go into negative zone and keep ourselves always positive. So I think this
nice.
is the best part. Ever since I have also got into this journey, I have become very much positive, and I am enjoying this a lot.
Yeah, now I'm enjoying a lot, because every new person, every day I meet new person, new experience, so it feels good. So that's why,
Yes.
it's not possible to go outside and meet someone to talk to. It's a good thing sitting at home, just connect with other person and talk to them and feel good, you know. So it's a
Yes,
good
yes,
things, right? And if
yes,
I get my
yes,
fluency, then I will start my own something new, something different. Okay, so
yes,
firstly, I want to improve myself. I want to get my fluency. Then after, I will start something
yes, definitely. And
so
it is
that
not
I,
possible
yeah,
every
so
time.
that I will keep myself busy and there is no space, no room for thinking negative and thinking sad.
Yes, that's the great spirit. Yes, that's the great spirit. And we should always keep going like this, because every time we cannot refresh ourselves by going outside or hanging out with friends, because now we are in a family. We have to
Yeah,
look after our children also, our family also. So living at home, if we just find any way to, to improve ourselves or give ourselves positivity, so
yeah,
and to connect with people sitting at home, so it is the best way, I think. We can improve ourselves in every way.
yeah,
So,
definitely.
and this is the best thing, like you said, that you definitely want to improve your language just because of your children also. Because
Yeah,
I have been speaking with my children in this language for years, and what happened now, they have started taking this language as granted, because now they understand also, they speak also. Now they have become overconfident that they don't like to speak, so they have got so much of confidence, because I have been talking to them for years. So now they just take it very lightly. So I told them that if you take this language so lightly, then you will find very difficulty speaking in this language. But slowly and steadily they are also understanding, and again they have come back in their routine to speak in this language. So I
yeah,
think just because I have given that environment to them for so early, so they have become used to in this language. Now, how much hard I speak with them in this language, they easily understand. So now I have to work upon myself. How can I make my language more advanced? So
yeah,
that's what I have been working on these days.
yeah. But you speak your with your children initially, then it will be easy for you. But now my children are not speak English. Sometimes they understand, sometimes they try to speak, but sometimes due to habit, now I'm speaking sometime English, sometime Hindi. So both are going
Yes,
on.
yes,
Yeah, but
yes,
I'm
yes,
trying to
yes.
speak. Yeah, but I'm trying to speak in English because I started my journey because of my kids. Yeah, I had a dream.
Yes, yes.
I had a dream to do something because after did my graduation, then I prepared for government job, but I didn't crack any exam. Meanwhile, I got married and
Mhm.
I left whole the study because problem. So that's why now I'm thinking on that maybe I didn't get any um, job, but I can do something different, right? No need to get a government job and any type of job. If you have a skill, then you can do other things. Now I'm thinking
Yes,
this type of
yes,
thing.
yes.
So yeah,
Yes,
government
many
job
times it
just,
happens just because of.
yeah,
Hmm.
government job just
Many times it happens. Hmm.
please continue, ma'am.
Please, please, yes, please. No, 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 please say.
Yeah, yeah, that when we complete our graduation, that time we have a knowledge that we can do. I mean, we can prepare for a government job. But now it's been 10-year long gap. It is not easy for me to restart of for any type of job. It's very difficult,
Yes, yes.
and it will take
Hmm.
time. And that time,
Yes,
I have to so many patience. So it is not easy
yes,
task. So it is better to speak in front of camera and improve ourselves. If it goes, then uh, we can start something own coaching and institute, right? And there is so many things. If you have a skill, then opportunity will come. That's my thought.
yes. Hmm. It's such a long gap which you are saying,
Yeah,
and we cannot think of start doing job immediately, because sitting at home for so many years, you cannot. For this, I think first you need to gain the confidence, and
yeah,
especially if I talk about myself, being at home, somewhere I just develop a kind of fear, because earlier I used to do job, And after my twins, I was at home. So, it was getting very much difficult for me to go out and do job. So just because of that purpose also, I have started this journey to, to get rid of the fear and gain little confidence. So I think this is the best way we can improve ourselves. And I feel like due to some reasons, so we suppress our, talents, we suppress our skills, like maybe because of early marriage or due to circumstances, we suppress
Yeah,
so many things inside us. But once I think our children are grown up that much, we should think of ourselves. So if you
yeah,
are thinking at this time, so I think you are doing great. At the end of day, we will have that satisfaction. We are also doing something for ourselves. So that gives us immense satisfaction. So along
yeah,
with doing for your family, children, you must give time to yourself also. Think of yourself also. And that's what I think you are doing. So that's the best part you are doing.
yeah. So, do you have twin kids?
Yes, I have twin daughters.
Okay. Twin.
And
Oh,
and it's not about like, yes, and it's not like that every time, because they come at home at 3:30, and then they go to their tuition, and that come at 7:30. So I hardly get time to talk to them. So every time, I talk to myself to improve myself. Like,
so
I
now
do
they
not give
have grown
blame.
up. How, they
Yes, they are 12 years old.
okay, 12 years. Yeah, yeah. It's they are grown up. Not I have kids, so they are not that much grown up. My elder one is 7 year old. Not yeah. My elder one is 9 year old, and younger one is 7 year old. So not that
Okay,
much
okay.
older. So that's why now I
Hmm.
have have to face some challenges related to my
Yes,
kids,
yes,
because
yes.
boys are so mischievous. So that's why I
Yes,
have
boys
to.
are.
It's a very tough task for me to manage. So
Yes, yes.
it's a
You're,
better
you're
one
right.
daughter, one son. It's a better, but we can't do
Yes.
anything.
Yes.
Yeah,
Everybody has this kind of wish, but it's okay. Whatever God is blessed with you, I think it's the best part, and we
and we
should
should,
have satisfied whatever
yeah,
we have.
yeah, we should satisfied and just try to happy. Yeah, whatever we have,
Yes,
just satisfied. Yeah, great.
yes, yes, right, right, right.
But I wish
And
I had a daughter, but it's not possible.
yes, yes. I
Yeah,
have also heard it from many people, like those who have son, they always have a wish to, have daughter. So I have
yeah.
heard it from many people.
Daughter, can understand the feeling of mothers,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
But
That's
boys
absolutely
are
right.
not like that. Boys are always,
Hmm.
always see, they live there in gross. They don't care about
Hmm.
others, that what they are doing, what the others are feeling. They are not thinking like that. Maybe in future my children's happen after growing up, maybe they will be, but now still they are not like that.
Yes, actually, they
Yeah.
are very young, very young. And boys are, you are right, more mischievous than girls. Girls are
Oh,
little more understandable than boys.
girls are,
And it's not like
yeah, girls surround me.
one get mixed.
Yeah, girls are in my surrounding. Girls are very, cute, patience, and everything. Girls, whatever the things inside of girls, everything is perfect. But boys are not like that.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Yes, yes. I think just because boys are more mischievous, so they take time to settle down. So I think after they get mature, they will also start understanding everything. But yes, it is that girls become more mature and understandable. They start understanding things
Yeah.
earlier than boys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. I
yes.
also
Now
notice.
I think whenever I have any kind of problem, or whenever I get very much tired, they understand it without my saying, and they start doing my work, their work themselves. So I have now much support of them.
Yeah. Yeah. Great. You can say you are pleasure. I mean, fortunate of.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Great.
How much I did struggle to raise them up. Now I am getting that much relaxation at this point of time just because of them.
Yeah. True. Okay.
Yes.
So what makes you
Yes.
happy?
Right now, at this point of time, only right now, what am I doing with you that makes me the happiest person? Because the more I speak in this language, I get immense satisfaction. I become more and more happy because every time I feel whenever I talk to someone, I'm improving myself a lot. And you can improve only by practicing. Nothing else in this world can make you fluent. Just, until and unless you practice with someone. It's also good that you are shadowing and or talking, but whenever you confront someone face to face, whether it is online doesn't matter, but along with speaking good, you gain your confidence also, you get rid of your fear also. So I think I enjoyed this part the most. That is my happiest moment, I feel, at this point of time. What about you? Tell me about yours.
Yeah, same like. I learning this language makes me
Yes.
happy. Yeah. So
Yes,
tell
because
me,
earlier I was posting.
what would you suggest for beginner when they want to learn English, but they have a hesitation, fear that they they are not able to speak. So what would you suggest them?
Yes, my first suggestion would be like if there is, like I told earlier, if there is any dedicated learner like us. So I think because everybody, it is free for everyone. Everybody can open this channel. If they are serious to learn this language, they should open their channel if they seriously want to become fluent in this language. And secondly, if they are single, so they must be having so many friends, they try to communicate in this language. Only this is the second way they can improve, even if they talk for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but it is very necessary. And if they do not have friends, then definitely there are many apps available today. There you can talk with anyone. So I think today we cannot give any kind of excuse that there is no one with who we can communicate. So I think there are so many features. I also started, whenever I started this journey, so along with that I had also downloaded few apps like HelloTalk, CV. Now I have started using AC Fluency app also. So I think through these apps you gain a lot of confidence, at least for the beginners who cannot, who find difficulty giving their introduction or form basic sentences. I think they should start with all this. And shadowing obviously is very good. You can record your voice also after speaking on a short paragraph. Then you can listen to your recording voice and find your errors. And wherever you find difficulty, you can use Chat GPT. I mean, there are many ways you can learn any language. So there is no problem in today's time.
Yeah, so internet is boon for us these
Yes,
days.
yes, yes, definitely. I feel it a more pleasure. It's a more, I feel like in my times, I had no such kind of facility. Whenever I would find any difficulty, I used to write and register, and then I would ask from people. I would ask from my father, from my teacher, because we had no this kind of accessibility in which what we are, availing today. So I think not for language, for any skill, you can sitting at home, you can learn any kind of skill. Today, this internet has made everything so much easier for us. You can do anything. If you're not able to go outside or join any course offline, be at home, you can do anything. Like today is that kind of time. So you must, I think you should not waste your time. You should always indulge yourself in some kind of skill, because skill or learning never goes waste.
Yeah, it's the truth. I totally agree with you.
Yes.
And it's true that we should always try to do something, not waste our time. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
great, great.
because I feel like studies, along with studies, we should develop in our children also. Along with studies, we should develop one or other kind of skill in our children also, according to their interest. Like one of my daughters is very much good in yoga. So I'm thinking to put her in yoga classes. And another one is very good. Her hand is very good in drawing. So I'm thinking to put her in drawing activity, painting and all. So I think
Great.
after judging their talent, we should, develop one or the other skill in them. That is very necessary. In earlier times, our parents used to say that, study, because स्टडीज के अलावा और कुछ नहीं रखा है, सिर्फ पहले के टाइम में यही बोलते थे कि स्टडी
Yeah,
करो. अब नाउ along with studies, I
study.
think this is also very necessary. because there are many people who are earning and settling their life in a very good way by doing something in these skills.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, so I think
Yes,
time is
yes,
running
yes,
out. And is there anything do you want to
yes,
ask?
yes. Yes, I just want to know, you told me that you wanted to improve your language just because of your children also. Are you planning to do job also in future, offline job?
Yeah, maybe in future, but still I don't have any planning. I want to improve my communication skill first. Then after I will start my own institute for
Okay,
spoken.
regarding
Yeah,
the language.
yeah. So
Okay,
that's I have
I think
thinking.
is the best.
Yeah, that is I'm thinking. Maybe in future, what's happened, we don't know.
Yes, yes, but definitely you should have that goal in mind, because until we make some goal, how will we achieve? If you keep
Yeah,
that goal in your mind, definitely you will reach one day. And you have taken that one step by opening your YouTube channel for that. So I
yeah,
think it's great. You will definitely reach.
yeah. Great.
Yes. So I
So
feel like everybody should have some kind of goal to reach to that, peak.
yeah. So yeah. So
Yes,
thank you
yes.
so much reaching out and showing up. I really enjoyed a lot to talking to you. So thank you so much and bye.
Yes. Yes, thanks a lot. Even, we have enjoyed, we have talked about so many topics today, so many concepts today. Even I enjoyed thoroughly with you. Thanks a lot for connecting.
Yeah, we will
Yeah.
meet again. Definitely.